Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious stuffed watermelon with different type of fruits that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare a stuffed watermelon with fruits, these are the ingredients: 4 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. Of course, I have blueberries, strawberries, green grapes, and of course, a medium-sized watermelon. This is everything we need, so let's get started. I'm going to start by hydrating the unsweetened gelatin. And I'm doing this in 1 cup of cold water. Look at this. This part is very important. You want to make sure that your clear jello really firms up and really does its job. So I am adding 4 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin to 1 cup of cold water. And here I am going to let it rest and let it bloom. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to continue. Here I'm going to use 2 cups of hot water. To this, I am going to add half a cup of granulated sugar. This is just the perfect sweetness. Remember, the rest of the ingredients are fruits and they have their own sweetness. So here I'm adding half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to dissolve it completely. And now I am going to take to the microwave the bloomed gelatin. I'm going to leave it there for 10 to 15 seconds. And when it's nice and watery, I am going to add it to the 2 cups of hot water and the granulated sugar. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to whisk it very good, making sure that it's nice and incorporated. And you want to obtain every little bit. Okay, I am going to go ahead and whisk it very good. I'm going to put it aside. And now I am ready to prepare my watermelon. You want to make sure that you make this step first because you want the water to come to room temperature. And now I am ready. I have my medium-sized watermelon that I'm going to be very careful and slice the top off. When I say careful, because sometimes they're so tight that when you start cutting it, they crack. So I want to make sure that I do it slowly and that I have something on the bottom so it doesn't roll off. Okay, now once you cut the top off, I'm going to reserve it. I'm going to start getting little circles out with this little gadget that I bought at Walmart. And I'm going to continue getting all these little circles out. I am going to add the circles back into the watermelon when I am ready with all the rest of the fruits. Take your time, make the little circles, and when you're ready, look at this. It's nice and cleaned, and all the circles are here. I am going to go ahead and put it aside. And now I am ready to prepare the rest of the fruit. I'm going to add to here's the fruit because I'm going to rinse it very good. I'm going to add everything in here, including the strawberries. And for the strawberries, I am going to first take the little stems off with this little gadget that I bought at Walmart. so that you don't take too much of the pulp of the strawberry. Look, you just take the little stem off. Very careful. Look at this. Oh my gosh, all these little gadgets for work for so many different things. Well, here I'm going to continue getting the stems completely off of every single one of the strawberries. Let me tell you, when you make this amazing stuffed watermelon, you are going to continue enjoying it with your beautiful family. And now we are going to rinse through running water, making sure that you move them around, that you rinse all the fruit really good. Move them from side to side, from the bottom towards the top. Of course, the strawberries, I'm going to slice them in half so that they really incorporate with the rest of the ingredients, because they are really large. I'm going to cut the strawberries in half before I start getting the watermelon nice and filled. Look at this. Take your time. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And here I am going to pour all the fruit. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add some of the watermelon balls into this mixture. You want to make sure that you have a little bit of everything. And I'm using 3 cups of every single fruit. Here, I'm going to add some, but towards the end, I'm going to add some more. You want to make sure that you see all these amazing colors and flavors. Once this is done, I am ready to start filling the watermelon. This is the best part, getting everything inside your watermelon. Be very generous, because this really takes time. You can't enjoy it the same day. You need to put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours so that the jello firms and you are ready to slice. But this really looks beautiful already, just like that. Now that it's filled all the way to the top, now I am going to add the clear jello. I'm using a plate so it doesn't run from one side to another. I'm going to add the jello, the clear jello, right on the top, making sure that I cover everything so that everything stays nice and together. Remember, you have to put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours before you slice it. It really takes a little longer than a regular jello, but it comes out amazing. Fill it all the way to the top, cover it, and put some saran wrap right on the top and put it in your refrigerator. After 24 hours, I am ready to reveal how this looks. Look at this. Look how beautiful it looks. But of course, this is going to be the best part. We are going to slice it and use a large knife so you could cut it through. And it makes it much easier if the knife is really long. And now, look how beautiful this looks. Look how amazing. You could see all the fruit inside. And of course, I can't wait to slice it and eat a delicious slice. I am ready to flip it over, put it to the side, and now I'm ready to slice away. Look how amazing this looks. Remember, my friends, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I can't wait to enjoy it. If I can make it at home, you can make it at home. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this stuffed watermelon with fruit. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. If I could make this amazing dessert, you could make it at home too. Excuse me. Amazing. This is just perfection made at home. This is a perfect recipe for summer. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.